Are you looking for a unique, eco-friendly, and profitable business idea? Vermicompost making can be one of the best opportunities to start with low investment and high demands in both the agriculture and gardening sectors. Vermicompost farming can be a unique and profitable business venture if properly planned and maintained with proper training. Vermicomposting is a natural and organic process through which earthworms decompose various types of organic waste, such as vegetable peels, cattle dung, dry leaves, etc., to produce highly nutritious fertilizer. This fertilizer helps in increasing soil fertility and crop production. Vermicompost farming is an easy, profitable, and environmentally friendly venture. It can be started at a low cost and is in great demand in both the agriculture and gardening sectors. If desired, it can also be developed as a small business at the rural level. Dear viewers, today we will explore step by step how to start vermicompost farming, its benefits, the required setup, and how you can turn it into a successful business. First, a suitable place for vermicompost farming should be selected. A shady, high, and well-drained place should be chosen. It should be protected from rain and excessive sun with a shed or canopy. A bed 3 to 4 feet wide and 2 to 3 feet high, and as long as required, can be made with bricks, bamboo, or wood. Otherwise, cement tanks, wooden boxes, plastic bins, or earthen pots with drainage holes can be used. There should be holes at the bottom so that excess water can drain out. Cow or buffalo dung, dry leaves, vegetable peels, tea leaves, straw, etc. should be collected. First, the ingredients need to be slightly dried and the dung needs to be decomposed beforehand. Usually, Eisenia fetida, red wiggler, or AP earthworm is used in vermicompost. Good results are obtained by releasing 1,000 to 1,500 earthworms per cubic foot. While releasing the earthworms, some wet straw or dry leaves should be spread below. To maintain soil moisture, regular watering is required. It is enough to feel damp when held in the hand. Excessive heat, cold, damages the earthworms. Moisture, keep between 60 to 70%. Temperature, ideal 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. The ingredients should be turned over gently from time to time. Water can be sprayed 2 to 3 times a week to maintain proper humidity. The earthworms should be protected from excessive heat or cold. Occasionally, the ingredients should be gently turned over for better air circulation. Vermicomposting is usually prepared within 45 to 60 days. When the earthworms rise to the top, the fertilizer can be collected from the bottom. Stop feeding new waste 1 to 2 weeks before harvest. The fertilizer will be dark brown and granular. When the earthworms rise to the top, the manure can be collected from the bottom. Collect vermicomposting by hand or light sieving, ensuring worms remain for reuse. It should be stored in a dry and shady place. Always keep some worms with leftover material to restart the next batch. Protect worms from predators like ants, rats, and birds.